Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can replace batteries in your DJI Mavic Mini. So all you have to do, simply focus on this part, and we have to simply take off this sticker. After that I can recommend you to put on it these propellers to hold it, and then we have to open this plastic part, this cover. So right here you have the place to put something inside. For example, you can use your fingernail, or you can use this screwdriver. Take it off. You can make it very easy. And right now, to take off the battery, just press right here in this place, hold it, and then just pull it to yourself. And that's how it looks inside, by the way. If you want to put another battery right here, just put it in this position, just like that, with this sticker. Then let the pins stick in this place and close the cover. And as you can see, that's how you can replace the batteries on your DJI Mavic Mini. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.